In today's health tip segment, since barbecues are popular this time of year, I thought I would share an alternative to a beef burger, and that is a Portobello mushroom cap. Now, a Portobello mushroom has a very meaty taste, and they're generally about 6 inches across, somewhere 4 to 6 inches. When you flip it over, you'll see some webbing on the back, and then there is a stem, and if you're going to grill it, you can just take the stem off, and if you want, you can cook that part as well. And then you can just marinate it as you would a piece of chicken or as you would a burger. If you'd like to add barbecue sauce to it, or if you'd like to do, I like an olive oil and red wine vinegar mix, or if you're trying to save some calories, just go straight red wine vinegar. The nice thing about Portobello mushroom caps is that they are very nutrient dense. There's only 30 calories in this size of mushroom. And if you're looking at a beef burger, it's going to be anywhere 300, 400, 500 calories depending on the size and how you prepare it. There's also only 1/2 gram of fat in a Portobello mushroom, unless you've added some marinade to it. But a beef burger generally is going to have about 5 to 6 grams of saturated fat, and saturated fat is the thing that affects our bad cholesterol level. So if you want to eat heart healthy, a Portobello mushroom is the way to go. And how I make mine, I just fix them up like a regular burger. I can add some lettuce, tomato, if I want to add some cheese, and I can put it in the oven. You can put it on the George Foreman grill or the backyard barbecue. They have B vitamins. There's also some minerals in them. There's fiber. The wonderful thing about fiber is that it helps with your cholesterol levels. It helps with the sense of fullness because it keeps you feeling full longer. So lots of benefits to swapping your beef burger. Maybe it's not a replacement, but maybe every other time for a Portobello mushroom burger. So if you're heading to the barbecue this summer and you want to eat heart healthy, go for the Portobello mushroom burger. You can't go wrong. Well, that's it for today's program. I'm Karen Kawolics, reminding you to eat more whole food, keep moving, and stay positive. We will see you next time.